Hello and welcome. Today we will show you how to unbox and get started with Havells' classy new Supermix mixer grinder. Now these easy to follow steps will show you how best to use the great features available to you. It all starts with the opening of the box, for which you will need a pair of scissors or a letter cutter to cut through the taping, and voila! Cut straight through the tape and you will have the box open in no time. As you open the box, the first thing you will find is the user manual. It's a complete list of all the precautions and instructions to keep in mind while using the Supermix mixer grinder. Make sure you read it thoroughly. Right underneath it will be your very own Supermix mixer grinder. Carefully unwrap it and have a first look at its space-efficient, tower-shaped design. When you use the Supermix, one of the first things you appreciate is the slide twist lock dome, which allows you to work hands-free. It's super convenient to use. The control knob too is all about functional efficiency. The big dial provides more travel and turns extremely well. Now the blades that come with the Supermix mixer grinder are of a superior 304 grade stainless steel. The jars in this package are of a superior quality too, made from stainless steel to provide durability and hygiene. The Supermix also has a pulse function for convenient working during operations like ice crushing, blending, etc. There's also something for your chutneys and dips, with the 0.4 litre chutney jar included in the package. Just perfect for your little kitchen adventures. Make sure your hands are on the jar lid while your chutney is being prepared. Also included is a 1 litre grinding jar equipped with both dry and wet grinding capabilities. It grinds your ingredients to a paste or powder instantly. Make sure your hands are on the jar lid. With the Supermix mixer grinder, you get a 1.5 litre blending jar ideal for hands-free operation, allowing you to whip up milkshakes and juices in the blink of an eye. The grinding and liquidizing jars in fact have a special twist lock which further enhances safety. The Supermix mixer grinder also has a convenient cord winding facility at the bottom of the motor. This makes it as easy to store as it is to use. The Supermix mixer grinder is powered by a 500 watt motor, which gives it enough punch. Apart from Havells' trademark foolproof technology, the Supermix mixer grinders also come with a 5-year motor warranty and a 2-year warranty on the mixer. If efficiency and convenience is what you want from your mixer grinder, you can't do better than Havells' Supermix mixer grinders. So check one out today.